Good morning, everyone. Michael, Dale, and CJ here with Mad Bowtie Garage. We're downtown Elizabeth, Tennessee for the 40th anniversary car show.
40 years. Can you believe a car club stays together that long?
I know, that's crazy.
That's awesome.
And do a show that long every year. So let's go through and check out some of the rides. Of course, if you can see behind me, looks like there's quite a few rides, and it's cloudy right now. It's showing rain, so let's hope it don't rain. Let's get you some coverage going. So here we go.
Everybody, we're here with Houston Kilby with his Full Metal Goat. Houston, tell us a little bit about this thing.
Yeah, man. First off, good seeing you, man. It's the first time we got to meet and stuff. And man, I'm glad we got to meet in these hot rods and stuff here. But anyways, my name's Houston Kilby. We've got the Full Metal Goat. I've also got a YouTube channel, Houston Kilby as well. And that's where we built this madness monster at. And it's a 698 cubic inch motor, F3 Pro Charger on alcohol. Built the chassis, did all the tin work, did everything on it. Me and old Jesse back there. And
man, what's going on, YouTube world?
That's right. That's old Hollywood back there for sure.
Yeah.
But this thing, man, we plan on doing a lot of heads-up racing with it, street car type of stuff. It's got to be street legal too. And plus, that way, if we can't afford to go race, we can still hot rod in this thing, go have a good time, come out and support these events and all these shows and stuff. And I tell you what, we're glad to be here, and a big shout out to these guys here as well. Appreciate y'all.
Appreciate it.
Mm-hmm.
And folks, this is our own Dale Garst shucking and jiving the system, getting tickets for the 50-50. And they said any vehicle, and he picks a dang 6500 series Chevy rollback. I think he's shucking and jiving. What do you think?
I think so.
All right, y'all, we've had a little bit of rain delay, so we're going to get back out here and record some cars for you. And, of course, there's still a good crowd here, so y'all stay tuned and check out these rides. All right, y'all, we're here with Mr. Seth Whitehead. And, Seth, what did you bring down here today?
Well, we brought two cars. This is me and my dad's car, and then I got this car as my first car. Both Pontiac Trans Ams. This is a 1984 anniversary edition, 15th anniversary, and this one is a 1975 Pontiac Trans Am.
All right, what's made them so special?
This one makes it special because it's a 15th anniversary. So there were only 1,500 of these made. 1,000 were automatic, 500 of them were manual, and this one was a manual we found with a person who was collecting them. And this one's manual. It's given me the opportunity to learn manual, which is a good thing. The V8 sounds excellent. I love the sound of it. It has custom seats that only came with these. Custom netting seats, custom badging. This one was actually only one of 11 ever made with the back windshield wiper. And many people ask how it is. On the back, there's connectors that when you close it, connects back to the electrical system, so you can use the back windshield wiper.
And then what's Dad got here?
Dad and me.
And you.
Yeah, this was our first one. I'd always wanted it after watching Smokey and the Bear. I always wanted one, but I always saw that everyone had a Bandit or Trans Am, so I wanted something a little bit different. So we found this. It was our first classic car that we got. It's a 1975 Pontiac Trans Am with a 455 high output engine, so it's the biggest engine that came in that year. If you can tell from a 75 from a 76, because it has governmental bumpers on the front of it, but these weren't in the rims and stuff. We've redone the dash right there.
Right.
Put all that, rechrome that, but I liked it because it's the first thing. I've never owned a muscle car, a classic car, until we got this. I just fell in love with it.
Well, that's great. And I'm glad you brought them both down here. Thank you for the interview.
You're welcome.
All right, y'all. That's going to conclude the coverage from the Elizabethton Car Show. You can tell by my glasses, my hair.
Yeah, it's raining. My
And
camera is wet,
but we still got you as much coverage as we possibly could.
Yeah.
And we appreciate you for watching. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And we'll keep bringing you content as much as we can. So, I'm Michael,
I'm Dale.
and we gone. Let's see what that looks like.
Cut my head off from here up.